another product training session on USANA products, but we will be focusing more on the category of cellular function or your cellular health. And let me begin this with the topic on Biomega. Yan. So ito muna yung first product natin for our category for this afternoon. So our Biomega is our fish oil. So it has its omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D3. But the question is, are we getting the right kind of fat? No, kasi hindi naman parati dili pirmi makakuha og good fats every day. But you know, when we think of fats, we automatically think that it's a negative component of the food that we eat. But actually, fat is one of the macromolecules for life. So we have carbohydrates, mga basic food groups nato na. We have proteins, we have the fats and the nucleic acids. And fats, they're very essential part of our diet. And they are a macronutrient. No? So it means that kung macronutrient siya, we need it in a very large amount compared with the micronutrients nato. And for a while. For a while lang Ma'am Hakay ang ako ang PowerPoint para.
Okay, Miss Nin. So we can always take down notes, huh? Yeah, so we will learn more. Thank you, Miss Nin.
Okay, and let me now continue with that. Sige. So going back here, no, if we are getting the right kind of fat, no, so it's a major or it's one of the macronutrients no, that we get our energy from, because ang fat mango, that's equivalent to 9 kcal per gram, no, which is twice as much as carbohydrates or proteins. So we think na ang energy nato makuha lang sa carbohydrates or proteins, right? But actually makakuha po tag energy from the fats. And ang fats, they help the body to absorb nutrients such as the fat-soluble vitamins. So these are your vitamin A, D, E, K. And also some of the antioxidants like yung mga lycopene natin from the pigment ng tomato. So we need fats para properly absorb kini siya ng mga fat-soluble vitamins. And most of us consume too much fat in general, especially the saturated fats. No, kaya naaman tayo two types, the saturated and the unsaturated. Little did we know, we are consuming a lot of these saturated ones, no, which is dili siya anak ka healthy if masobrahan. Although we also need some, but vast majority of us, we don't get enough of that very important fat, which is the omega-3 fatty acids. So going back here to the types of fat, we have the saturated and the unsaturated. So ano yung difference nila? So ang saturated fats nato, mao na siya solid na siya, gahi na siya at room temperature. Okay? And mostly gikan sa animal foods or animal fat. And the visible fat on meat, no, kana siya taba sa mga karne, no? And the fat in full fat dairy products such as your cheese, cream, no? Diba? Naan siya yung daghan po ng mga saturated fats. And they are also found sa mga red meats, milk, butter, cheese, no? And also, unsa di ayang ginabuhat sa saturated fats. So they promote an increase in low density lipoproteins or the bad cholesterol. And since they are bad cholesterol, if daghan siya sa ato ang arteries, pwede siya mag-cause of clogging or magbara, no? And that's why it's one of the reasons why we have different diseases or conditions called stroke, myocardial infarction, or angina. So kani siya ng mga diseases. One of the contributory factors of these diseases is yung mataas na level ng low density lipoprotein or ng bad cholesterol. So that's the downside of the saturated fats. Okay? How about this unsaturated fats? So they are those that don't promote arterial fat deposit. So dili sila makakos og pagbara sa ato ang mga ugat, no? So mga ato ang blood vessels. So you should always limit the unhealthy ones, which are the saturated fats, and let's focus more on consuming the right kind of fats, which is the unsaturated. And that's why kailangan po nato siya the right amount and the right ratio. Kay dili man nato pwede po di-eliminate totally si saturated. So let's focus more on the omega-6 fatty acids. So yung mga omega-6 fatty acids natin, there are types of the saturated one, the unsaturated one. So we have this different vegetable oils, no? So isa sila sa mga major contributors ng ating omega-6 fatty acids, and they involve in many body processes. At the same time, no, they help regulate the body processes, and they are very important sa health sa atong heart and sa brain. Okay, and most of us, we get plenty of omega-6 fatty acids, like yung mga vegetable oils, no, na ginagamit to manufacture mga processed foods. And at the same time, no, so kaning pag too much put sa omega-6 fatty acids or the vegetable oils, no, they can cause also mga heart diseases. No, so they are part of these different conditions. So let's now talk about the omega-3 fatty acids. So your omega-3 fatty acids, they have two types. We have the EPA and the DHA. So EPA, it means that eicosanoic pentanoic acid, while the DHA is your docosahexanoic acid. So they are the building blocks for your cell membranes or your cellular function. No, so they are very important to take note, no? So yun po yung function nila. And the EPA and the DHA, they are also important for hormone production, to protect our immune system, or to give us a healthy vision and brain development function. And importante po siya for healthy cell growth. No? So there are many types of omega-3 fatty acids, but three are the most important. Your alpha-linoleic acid, your EPA, and the DHA. So your omega-3 fatty acids, no, according to the Heart Foundation, we need at least 500 milligrams of EPA and DHA daily. Okay, so kahit wala ka medical condition, you're a normal and healthy person, you need at least 500 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. But if you have been diagnosed with heart diseases, you have a medical condition, with any of the medical condition, cardiovascular diseases, you need at least 1,000 milligrams of omega-3. Okay, so yan yung recommendation. So that's the amount that we need, no, for the omega-3 fatty acids. So the question is, how are we going to have this kind of amount? Diba? So more so likely we are getting more of the omega-6 kay present man gid always ang mga vegetable oils sa ato ang ginakaon compared with the omega-3. So ang goal nato is to increase the omega-3 intake. Kay mao man to siya ang healthier oils na that can help us with our heart function, with our brain, with vision, the overall cellular health. So one common thing that we can do is to eat more fish. So very practical, no? Isda yun. No? Taas magid ang source sa omega-3 fatty acids sa mga isda. Okay? We can get it from our fish. Also, mag-switch tayo ng oils. No? So let's also try a little canola oil, no? Kasi canola oil contains alpha-linolenic acid, which is mao na siya ang precursor para maka-create og omega-3. Or i-replace nato ang butter, vegetable, and sunflower oils with healthier oils. We have olive oil, macadamia, or avocado kasi they are more on heart healthy monounsaturates. So pwede nato siya i-switch ang mga oils nato and eat more vegetarian sources of omega-3. So if you're thinking isda lang yun ang makuhaan nato omega-3, but actually we have our plant-based sources of omega-3. We have the walnuts, the flax seeds, the soybean, the tofu, and even yung mga leafy vegetables nato as, you know, such as kale. You can also try chia seeds. Ayan, pwede po kain na siya because aside sa omega-3, they also contain calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. So very healthy gid ang chia seeds. So if you notice, those people who are really health conscious, they're really into healthy diet, healthy food, gina-include gid nila ang chia seeds, no, sa ilang mga meals. And also another practical thing to do is to cut down on the processed food. So kinsa ba diri ganahan og mga instant food, kanang mga processed food, kana siya taas kay na siya omega-6 na mga vegetable oils, so which is not good for our heart, no? So kana siya bawasan nato. So aside from this, no, sa pa ang pwede nato makuha, of course we need supplementation for that because No, what are the different benefits pala ng fish oil? So fish oil, it can benefit our heart, number one gid na, because fish oil supplements can help to relax blood vessels atong mga ugat para ma-maintain ang healthy heart circulation and also to reduce heart and blood vessel diseases. No, so number one gid na maka-benefit is our heart. Next is our joints. Because fish oil can decrease joint tenderness and it also reduces the requirement for anti-inflammatory medications, especially if the person has arthritis. So one of the reasons why it's very painful, this disease or this condition, is because inflamed ang joints. So if there's enough omega-3 fatty acids na ginatake ani na person, that can help with the inflammation. Another is the skin inflammation. No, so fish oil can help ease chronic inflammatory conditions and behavioral problems kasi ang fish oil, it can improve the behavioral problems in children. No, like for example, mga short attention span, no, and mga restless na mga kids. So they are very prone into hyperactivity. And DHA, which is a component ng omega-3 fatty acid, is important to regulate the brain performance or the cognitive performance ng mga bata sa school. So mas na-enhance ang learning nila. Another is healthy vision. So one of the core body that can benefit from getting fish oil is yung mga mata natin, no? Kasi yung mga tao daw, wait, nawala ang slides ko. Ayan, teka, open ko lang. So yung mga tao daw na kumakain or enough ang intake ng omega-3 fatty acids, they have 38 times healthier vision. So, dili kayo sila affected, no? Pag may mga stressor sa ilahang eyes, no? So, ana ka, daghan ang pwede ninyo makuha pag naga-take mo enough amount of fats or omega-3 fatty acids. So, somehow, if you notice in the market, mo nang reason nga nagdaghan kaayog fish oil, no? In the market because of that. Kay daghan gyud pud benefits dili lang sa isa ka organ but sa halos sa tanan, no, overall cellular health gyud ang iyahang benefit, and that's why we also want this to want to add or to increase our omega-3 fatty acids sa diet nato. So aside sa healthy vision, another benefit of fish oil is healthy pregnancy and healthy baby, because getting omega-3 fatty acids is important for the brain development and the nervous system ng baby, no, inside the womb ng mga mothers. So human brain has a growth spurt during the last trimester ng pregnancy and in the months after birth. So this is when the DHA in the brain triples, so getting enough is very essential. So that's why fish oil is recommended to pregnant women and even sa mga lactating or breastfeeding moms. So, but then, not all fish oils are created equal. So, name it, no? Daghan kay tag brands in the market selling or producing fish oil or omega-3 fatty acids. But of course, dili tanan pare-pareho. Alright? So, what makes Arizona fish oil stands out is that, no, so we have this called na concentrated omega-3 fatty acids, and it has also vitamin D3. And Biomega is a whole body oil, unlike with some fish oil na ginakuha lang nila sa liver, no? So ang fish oil na ginakuhaan nato is whole body. Okay? And Biomega offers one of the most concentrated doses ng EPA and DHA. Unlike other products, you need to consume more in order to reach the daily recommended dose of omega-3. But in Biomega, you only need to take 2. Kaya concentrated naman siya. And it supports heart, brain, eyes, joints, and the source of your health, which is mga cells nato. So it also contains 1,000 milligrams cold water fish oil, rich in the important omega-3 fatty acids. So what's good about having this cold water fish, no? So ang ginakuhaan nato is katong mga small sized fishes, kaya katong dagko manggod, mas prone sila to contaminants, mga heavy metals, mga lead, mercury, no, na ma-absorb nila sa mga polluted oceans or mga sources of bodies of water. So that's why dili ta nagakuha sa mga small-sized fishes. And it contains EPA na 320 mg and DHA 230 milligrams, and it is also easily absorbed. So one highlight that I want to mention here for USANA Biomega is that it offers exceptional purity. It means that it is virtually free of harmful contaminants. No, okay, like I said, no, gina-prioritize gid sa USANA ang safety sa mga consumers or sa mga people who would be taking the products. And that's why we have this what we call the double molecular distillation technique to remove the harmful heavy metals in oils. So making it more, pure because it removes the impurities and mga trans fatty acids. So leaving only the beneficial components behind doon sa ating product. And it has this for vitamin D3. So vitamin D3 is also important for healthy bones and immune function. So yun. And that's why yan yung good thing about our products, our Biomega. And what are the key ingredients? Again, our Biomega contains EPA, DHA, or our omega-3 fatty acids, and fortified with vitamin D3. So how to take? You just have to take 2 capsules daily, preferably with food. And this is ideal for all healthy adults over 18 and those women who are pregnant or breastfeed their function. Let's move now to the second product, which is our, ayan, open ko muna, our Policy. Ayan, so have you tried using our product Policy? No, so USANA's proprietary blend of vitamin C. Ayan, so may mga highlights tayo, no? So you can actually take note of those highlights, no, na naas atong mga products. Ayan. So actually nag-repair ang ako slides. So hopefully you can see there my slides. So the benefits of vitamin C. So let's talk about first the benefits of taking vitamin C. So vitamin C is also known as your ascorbic acid. It is one of the water-soluble vitamins. So along with the vitamin B complex, we have the B1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 12. So these are your B complex. So ano ba yung mga fat-soluble vitamins naman? So they are well absorbed along with fatty food. So your vitamin A, D, E, K, yun. So yun yung mga fat-soluble. So when it comes to elimination or, availability in the body, mas available, highly available ang mga fat-soluble because they are stored in the fats ng body. But with the water-soluble, they're easily eliminated through urine, no? So, feces, pwede din yun. So, madali silang mawala sa body, no? Yung mga water-soluble. And, isa na dito si vitamin C. And, our vitamin C or ascorbic acid, sadly, we can manufacture them. No, humans cannot make vitamin C for ourselves. Dapat galing siya sa diet, no? Gikan siya sa atong ginakaon. And humans are one of the few mammals na hindi makamanufacture ng ascorbic acid sa liver. Kasi most other animals, except yung mga the ape family, the guinea pigs, they produce ascorbic acid in the liver from the glucose. No, so that's why we need this from our diet. Okay, so for a healthy adult, we generally at least 75 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C daily. That's also maximum ng 2,000 milligrams per day. No, so gikan gyapon siya sa atong ginakain. But unfortunately, the reality is dili man kita makakaon og nga nakadaghan no na vitamin C source. So for example, kailangan nimo o mukaon og 140 milligrams per food item para makakuha ka og 250 milligrams ng vitamin C per meal. So kulang gyud gyapon kung kuhaon nimo siya sa imong pagkaon. Dili pa siya convenient. Sige na lang pagkaon ani og bayabas og oranges. Diba dili siya practical, no? So, yun. And vitamin C is absorbed sa atong GI tract and mugawas siya sa lawas by the excretion ng kidneys. And also ano yung elimination natin no ng ating vitamin C. So the kidney excretion happens within 3 to 4 hours. So ibig sabihin dali lang siya mawala sa body after this time, no, the 3 to 4 hours. Mao na kailangan 4-hour intervals ang pag-take sa vitamin C once a day. Kay water soluble man, maihi ra siya nimo. Okay? And what are the benefits of our vitamin C? So number one, good is ang immune support because vitamin C boosts white blood cells and antibodies which are very important source ng immunity or ng ating defense. So paano siya nag-help? They fight off the free radicals that can damage the WBCs or yung mga neutrophils natin. And have higher concentration ng vitamin C. So, kailangan daghan kay vitamin C. And also, increases interferon. No? So, yung interferon natin, it's part of our immune defense and they fight the viruses. No? So, yun yung mga support na mabibigay ni vitamin C sa atong immune system. Another is antioxidant support. No? Because we know may free radicals na daghan sa at body can lead to cell degeneration and later on it can lead to cell death. No, and vitamin C, since this is master antioxidant, it can fight the free radicals. No, and also it acts as a redox buffer, and that's why mas na neutralize ang mga oxygen or reactive oxygen species. So that's why dili mag-build up ang free radicals sa body. No, pag ng free radicals that could lead to heart diseases, stroke, cancer. That's why we need a daily intake of antioxidants. So name it, daghan kay tag antioxidants na present sa ato ang products sa USANA diet, no, the fruits and the vegetables, they have also antioxidants. But if you know, di ba, Cell Essentials, the green logo there, our Vita antioxidant, it's powered with a lot of antioxidants that can really fight the free radicals. So very important siya na product. And also, of course, vitamin C, no, it's a master antioxidant. Another benefit of vitamin C is that it is important to build and maintain collagen and connective tissues. So yung collagen nato, no, very important siya to maintain the elasticity and the youthfulness of our skin and also for the joints. And also yung connective tissues sa muscles, sa ngipon, sa bukog, sa skin, and sa blood vessels. So very important si vitamin C as a precursor so that our body can produce collagen. Also vitamin C helps iron absorb well in the body, kailangan siya ma-pair with vitamins. Okay, kasi mas better, better ang kanyang absorption. No? So, okay naman, ma-absorb si iron pag nag-take ang supplements, pero better gid ang yung absorption pag paisan mo siya og ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Alright? Ayan. Because, iron, if some of you are, experiencing iron deficiency anemia or any form of anemia, you need iron supplements. Okay, so yun. And here, the reality is, even though we know a lot of vitamin C sources in the market, you can see them sa wet market, you can see them sa grocery stores, but still we're getting less than 10 milligrams of vitamin C, no? And that could lead to disease called scurvy. No? So ingan na pag kulang kag vitamin C, that could lead to this condition called scurvy. So pag scurvy, unsa na siya? Dali ka kapyon, inflame mong gums, or sakit imong mga joints, then dugay mahil imong mga wounds, and anemia. Pwede po ka magkaroon ng anemia, and dali po maibot imong mga ngipon. So yan ang mga signs and symptoms of scurvy. So very common siya, no? And that's why we can, actually prevent happening. You just have to take the enough amount of vitamin C daily. So how are we gonna do that? Very practical. We can eat a rainbow. So, at least 2 servings of fruits and 5 servings of vegetables daily. So, dili dapat mawala atong fruits and vegetables. Now, because they provide vitamin C plus a wide range ng mga vitamins and minerals and even the antioxidants. No, mga different antioxidants aside sa vitamin C. Also, we can take it, also we can get it from our policy, like kung if every day dili mo ma-achieve imong daily intake of vitamin C, then the most convenient and the easiest thing that you could do to help yourself is to take supplement. No? And here in USANA, we have our USANA policy that is a mineral blend of your calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc ascorbates. So this one is this vitamin C blend is used to treat and prevent vitamin C deficiency, which is our scurvy. And what's inside our product? So yun nga, we have mineral ascorbates, Plus, it has citrus bioflavonoids, rutin, and quercetin. So these bioflavonoids, what they do is that they enhance the absorption and the bioavailability or absorbability of our vitamin C. Because going back to the very nature of our vitamin C, it is water soluble. So it means that after 3 to 4 hours, it will be eliminated from our system. And so that, for us to, to really get all the benefits of the antioxidant support, we need a better absorbing vitamin C. And that's why we have flavonoids present in our formulation. All right? Ayan. So yun. And also, vitamin C is associated with mineral salts. So one good thing about this is, it improves bioavailability and it is friendlier sa stomach. I'm not saying na safe siya sa mga hyperacidic or those people with gastric conditions like ulcer or peptic ulcer, so on. But what I'm saying is if you're a healthy individual, if you're gonna take the product, it won't cause you hyperacidity or it won't trigger you hyperacidity. But this is it depends on the personal na experience. I'm not saying the majority would not experience it, but some of the people, they have better experience with this product, when it comes to gastric experiences or conditions. And our policy, so as you can see here, this is a graph, with the x-axis there is the hours, that the time it takes for the vitamin C to present in the blood, and sa y-axis na to, that's the vitamin C plasma concentration. So it is a comparison between our policy and the standalone ascorbic acid, which is in blue. So yun, naman ang aking slide. So ayan, so as you can see there, sa ato ang slide, you can see there the better absorbability of our policy. So kung tanaw naman yun ang bioavailability or the absorption rate of our policy, better din siya compared sa other brands in the market. Kay studihan man siya, it's really one of the well-studied product of USANA to really give emphasis that we improve our formulation so that it can provide the most benefits that the consumers will get. All right? So as you can see here, higher blood vessels ang makuha nato sa policy. It breaks down effectively in the body, and it's because of these bioflavonoids, because they boost the absorption. So that's why policy is superior to pure ascorbic acid as a supplemental source ng vitamin C, like the standalone vitamin C. So policy is different. Ayan. And how to use, you can take 2 tablets daily, suitable for vegetarians. And also, if you can get vitamin C from your diet, please do, please do so. Whole foods cannot be replaced by vitamins or supplements, but if you cannot achieve that, then policy is recommended for you. And also, please read the label on how to take it and not to be used by the children under 2 years of age without medical advice. All right, so kailangan pa rin ng advice from the physician. So you can take 4 tablets, preferably with food or meals. Ayan, so that's for our policy. And let's go now to the third product under cellular function. Ayan, so malapit na po tayong natapos. So this time, let's talk about the immune system. So actually, yung tatlong products na na-mention ko, the first 2 products that I have discussed already, they have an immunity supporting effect or benefits. So yun. But this one, it's really for the immune system. Like it can target the immune system and help so that, it can have this better fight or defense against those pathogens. So let's now have our last product, which is our proglucamune. But first, let me talk about the immune system. So our immune system, if you think that nobody fights for you every day, our immune system fights for us. And this is very essential for our survival because kung wala po ang immune system, ang atong lawas, open siya to na ma-attack ng mga bacteria, ng viruses, ng parasites because they are present around us. You may not see them through your naked eyes, but they are just around us. Even ginaginhawa na to sila That's why our immune system keeps us healthy as we are being exposed to different pathogens. No, kaya kailangan strong po ang atong immune system. Because if you have a problem with immune system, dali lagi kay ka magkasakit. Okay? Ayan. And what are the different roles of our immune system? So we know our immune system is in a battle every day. Kaya mo ginaiyahang number one function. It's their job na yung mga immune cells natin. And also, we have different players no, sa ato ang immune system. We have the cells, the proteins, even mga chemical signals for different specific bacteria, viruses, parasites. So there's a specific soldier from our immune system that can fight the different types of pathogens. And our immune system also helps in wound healing. Kay kung dami mong immune system, na kay kanang weak imong immune system, dugay gid mahila ang mga wounds. And even yung cellular or tissue turnover and repair. Okay? And healthy immune system is a immune system is a complex machine. So kung studihan nimo siya, no, daghan gid kaayo siya parts, daghan kaayo siya functions, and at the same time daghan gid siya role na ginabuhat sa lawas. No, it has a lot of layers, na siya yung mga subsystems, tissues, and so on. So this is siya actually one of the most or one of the toughest body systems na pwede ninyo siya studyhan. But yeah, you can do that if you're really interested with immune system. So how to maintain a healthy immune system? So very practical gid gyapon no. Pwede gid na to siya buhaton. There is no threat to this. Ang healthy immune system, kailangan gid na siya whole body effort and holistic approach. So first of all, get at least 7 hours of sleep a night. And most of us are guilty of not doing this. Makatulog ba tayo at least 7 hours? Siguro ang sa 2 5, 6, 4, no? Grabe yun. And every night na siya. No, but it's not healthy for our immune system. So ayaw nakatingala na nganong dali ka magsakit, gisip una ka, giubo na ka, no? Kay kulang di kag tulog, no? So mao na siya, number one na maka-affect sa immune system. Next is we need to exercise regularly, no? Kay para ma-promote ang mga memory cells, ma-enhance atong skin immunity, no? And also minimize stress. So one thing that you can do to help for the healthy coping strategies of minimizing stress is exercise, no? Like a simple walk, afternoon walk, morning walk, jog, pwede din kaya na. Makatabang na siya. Rather than not having any activity. Okay? And eat a healthy balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, such as yung mga micro and macros ninyo, because they contain phytonutrients. Kaya naamang pud gid tay mga mga pagkaon na makatabang gid sa immune system. Okay? And also practice good hygiene. So kanya very basic gid ni siya actually ang maghugas og kamot, gikan kag CR, like gikan kag biyahe, moadto kag balay. Before you touch anyone, before ka mag-hug or anything there sa imong family members, hugas siguro kag kamot, no? Because you touch everything no, sa biyahe, sa work, or adto ka sa mall. So basic gid siya ang hand washing, no, so that your body doesn't have to deal with as many pathogens in the first place. And immunity supporting food. So sa pagkaon gid no, so we need the nutrient dense food na containing beta glucans, the vitamin C, B vitamins, and zinc, because these are important immunity nutrients. So what are those important nutrients that we can get from the food? We have the beta glucans. So yung beta glucans, daghan siya, no? Present siya sa mga mushrooms, but of course, dili siya sa tanang mushrooms. And also, these beta glucans, they are present sa oats, mga grains, even sa mga dairy products. So when you consume foods rich in beta glucans, imong immune system, number one yun na mag-flourish more than any other body system. No? Kasi beta glucans, they are immunostimulants, meaning they support the function and responsiveness sa imong immune cells. And they support the normal activity ng mga white blood cells nimo, the neutrophils, di ba? Kaya important, number one na gid na mo atake ang neutrophils pag na-infection ang body. Ayan. And what does it do? So, ang ginabuhat sa beta glucans, dinatrain niya ang imong immunity, no, to react if na ay mga threat from the outside, pasulod So it means that it keeps your immunity cells awake and alert, no, to any foreign triggers, and heightened ang state sa ilang awareness. Ibig sabihin, in a layman's term pag yun, always sila mata, no? Sigagid ang mata, way tulog-tog. So mauna siya ang ginabuhat sa beta glucans. That's why alerto sila. Dili sila patulog-tulog. No, murag, okay lang, atakehon, okay ra. No, they're very awake and alert. Ayan. So yan yung nagagawa ng ating mga beta glucans. They're very important immunostimulant. Next, we can get from the fruits and vegetables. Like I mentioned kanina, vitamin C. So I will not mention it again. No, that vitamin C supports the maturity of our white blood cells. And proteins, no, we can get the B vitamins and the zinc. Ayan. So if you've heard it during pandemic, mga products daw with zinc, yan, makatabang gid daw sa immune system. Yes, that's true. And let's talk about the supplements. Now, here in USANA, we have our proglucamine. So you're wondering where did we get this name proglucamine? So pro means promote, glucan is beta glucan, which is an immunostimulant. Immune is our immune support. So yan yung pinanggalingan, no, ng ating product name na proglucamine. So it is your immune support, no, first because it has beta glucan. So where do we get this beta glucan? From proprietary strain ng Baker's yeast, ayan, and the reishi mushroom. So this has a tradition, no, ng Chinese tradition of using mushrooms to help with their vitality, no, or to bring calmness sa ilahang body, especially for, you know, when we are stressed, no. So yun yung idea of using this mushroom. So this is a medicinal mushroom with a 2,000 years of historic uses in traditional Chinese medicine. It is a tonic to strengthen the qi and blood, and it is immune enhancing and promote calmness. Also, the reishi mushrooms can activate our immune cells, such as T cells, mga macrophages, and it can improve our immunity if regular ang consumption. So pag naisip mo nga pag may sakit lang ka, dito lang ka mag-take. No, you have to take it regularly, so take it daily. Also, no, the last ingredient for our proglucamine is our zinc. So zinc is essential for immunocompetence, especially mucosal immunity. So when we say mucosal, mucous membrane sa ilong, kaya rin maning magsulod ang ato ang when nag-inhale ta, so passage po siya sa pathogen sa atong throat, na po na siya mucosa dira, mucosal membrane, and sa lungs. Okay? So that's why importante ang zinc, no, para for our mucosal immunity. And also this zinc is amplifies the effects ng atuang intelligence technology because our proglucamine is powered with intelligence technology. Ayan. So that's for our proglucamine. So how do we take or use the product? So you can take 2 tablets daily, preferably with food. This is ideal for healthy adults, athletes, people under occasional high levels of stress, di ba? Sige sa mga stress dire, yan, mag-react kayo. So why under occasional high levels of stress? Because when a person is very stressed, like chronically for how many months, the tendency is mag-down gid ang iyang immune system. No, mauna siya ang problem dira pag stressed jud kayo ka. So affected number 1 gid ang imong immune system. So this would really help those people you are really going through a lot of stress. And also this is to take note that if you have an autoimmune disease or any immune system disorder, or if you are taking an immunosuppressant medication, please consult your doctor before using this product. Or if you are pregnant, nursing, nagbe-breastfeed ka, nag-take ka ng prescription drug, or if you have any medical condition, kindly consult your medical physicians, your attending physician, if it is okay to use the product. Kasi nga, I mentioned, di ba, na immunostimulant siya. So we don't want any interactions with the medications that you are taking or with your client's medications. No, so please consult your attending physician. Ayan. So that would be for my discussion on cellular function, our Holy C, Biomega, and proglucamine. So Back to you, Ma'am Angelica.
Miss Nin, so we will be how many questions pwede nimong allow Miss Nin, or can we can allow 5 questions para at least mag-guided ta about our
Sige, go
product.
ahead.
Tanaw na ko sa chat Miss Nin ha if there are questions. Kaya wala mo ra mga bright kay sila tanan. Kung walay question Miss Nin, ikaw ang mag-question. O niya natay
Ay,
award
pwede
sa
good. O,
makatubag.
para ma-check na to, no, kung naminaw sila.
Yeah, then we will award sa sa makatubag.
Sige, ma'am. Sige.
Sige.
Let's
There
see.
are 20 of us. So nanay usa nga ni left. So there are 20 of us in the room. So si Sir Steve basin dunay pangutana. O si Sir Albert Bakaha. Si Marilac. You can type your questions sa chat box. So Miss Nina can get back to you. Or ako'y mo tanawan na. Or otherwise, si Miss Nina ang mag-ask na to. Hilom kayo ang room Miss Nin. Kita na doang
So, ma'am,
nagtikaw-tikaw.
ako
Oh,
jud ang
murag
tanaan.
ikaw gyud siguro mo ta nakikita na doang
Naabatay
nagtikaw-tikaw.
price? Naabay price, ma'am, sa makatubag? Makahatag ba si Sir Samuel?
Si Sir Sam, kana si Sir Sam generous man na siya. Makahatag na gyud na siya.
So naagid siya mahatag ani ron.
Makahatag ka
Makatubag.
magbuot-buot ko.
Sige. First question is, I mentioned that policy contain is mineral ascorbate formulation of these different minerals. So what are the 4 ascorbates present in our policy? 4 to siya.
Ayay, kinsa kay makatubag. Nanarabay ni post og question Miss Nin. So, madlock day
Ay,
siguro pa tanan. Nanantay ni post og
ay
question.
price.
Ah,
Si Sir Samuel ang makatubag aning price.
nako ana, natay price ana niya.
Natay price ana.
Pilay price na to ana niya. So, kinsay mo tubag, pila ka to ascorbate ang naa sa ato ang
Actually,
proglucamion.
pwede jud kayo ninyo na ma-promote ang policy because we are entering the Burr months. So it's rainy season, o uso ang mga flu, mga sipon, ubo. So kana mao na siya ang atong way of marketing our products na it's really for the immune system. Like proglucamion kana pod. So pwede jud nato siya ma-promote through that.
Sige, pwede mo chat sa answer or ako sa ning tubagon Miss Tin ang price. Nasa the
Sige po.
price for proglucamion, ang atong price for suggested retail price. Sige, tanawon sa nako sa akong kodigo. 2,520 ang price sa atong retail. For members, it's 2,1. So na-answer this si Sir Rax. Calcium, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Nag-notes gini si Sir Rax.
That means, ano po yung kanyang sagot? Nag-chat niya, ma'am, no?
Calcium, magnesium, zinc, and potassium.
Yes, correct po.
Okay, very good. So na-price si Sir Rax. Mangita pa kung price ni Sir Rax. So, na-question sa diri Miss Nin. Last one question na lang ta ha. So Sir Rax, na-price si Sir Rax. Please send lang ko Sir Rax sa imong full name and number and basta contact info Sir Rax ha. Para sa imong price. Is it okay not to take proglucamion if I am already taking the big 5? Ano yung question ni Sir Steve, Miss
Okay, is
Nin?
it okay? Actually, pwede gid pud kaayo, sir. No, there's no problem if you want to add proglucamion with the big 5 like the Cell Essentials, Proflacoquinone, Biomega Magnical D. So if you really want to really support or to enhance your immune system, kay lahi man pud gyud ang iyahang target, no? It's really the beta glucans. It's priming your immune system. So pwede gid kaayo. Kay daghan man ta 3 ways how to to support or to help our immune system through the gut, no? So pag healthy imong gut barrier, healthy po the immune system, makatabang po na siya, so you can take probiotics, no? With that, and also through the antioxidant support. So, unsaon nato na siya pagtabang through antioxidant, like the maturity ng WBC, you take vitamin C, yung mga different antioxidants nato, kaya ang target niya is to support, to help the WBC, the neutrophils, diba? But the third one, it's really the priming. Priming, it's really enhancing or preparing your immune system, your WBC, to be awakened and, you know, to be alert all the time. So if you strengthen these three ways of helping our immune system, then you have a very strong immune system. Diba? Wala dyan kaso anak kung i-take ni mo tanang products for immune system, if that's your concern, if you want to supplement them. Yun.
Okay. Miss Nin, ako mag-ask. Ang Proglucamune nato, no, one of the product nato nga maayo jud guys sa respiratory concerns, right?
Yes, because of zinc. Because it has
Okay.
support on the mucosal immunity, mga mucous membrane nato sa ilong, diri sa throat, sa atong lungs. So we have this mucosal membrane that, you know, covers us so that dili-dali mag-penetrate or makaadto sa atong system ang mga pathogens. So gina-strengthen na niya ang
So
zinc.
mo nang kung nag-ubo na ta or like kanang mga kahubak ko na ta, kanang mabisag before pa bitaw sa onset, nya kung maginom mo
Yes.
Proglucamune, dali
Oo.
kay siyang mawala. So mo nang reason
Dili
because of the
siya
zinc.
kanang mawala, but really strengthen gid siya, ma'am. Like para maiwasan siya.
Mas
Nga.
dali man gud bitaw siya sa ako experience, mas dali siya nawala ko ng kanang gaubo ka, dili bitaw siya kalahos.
Yes.
So that is because of the zinc component of Proglucamune.
Yes po.
Okay. So I guess wala na sila question. So Sir Rax, palihog ko send sa imuhang contact info so we can give you your prize. Pwede nimong i-claim. So taga-asa ni si Sir Rax B? Ano, wala man si Sir Rax, di na pa man siya diri. Mas maisad siguro ng pwede og mag-take photo ta, can you on your, di ba, mag-take photo sad ta. Or bisag dili mang review. Sige, mag-take photo sa ta kay mag-announce din ta sa atong mga activity, no? Okay. Sige, murag isa naman siguro ta ka slide. Sige, mag-take photo sa ta. Okay, wear your best smile. Dili best smile. Okay, ang mga healthy, pakita sa mga nawong. Okay, so napay wala pa. So kanang dili pwede mag-on sa ilahang screen, it's okay. So mag-photo na ta. Smile, 1, 2, 3, smile, best smile. Okay. So ako na i-send din ang ato ang mga gwapo o gwapa. So for the next week we are having this product focus Zoom every Thursday. Actually, so next week our topic, Miss Nin, would be skeletal
Okay, ma'am.
system, right? Hello, Miss Nin. So
Yes.
our topic would be skeletal system for next Thursday. That would be July 11th. Still the same 3:30. We would encourage everybody to invite more people to join our Zoom so we can let's say help on the awareness of health and on the awareness of our product so we can help more people to be healthy. We hope that next time mas magdaghan na ta. Okay, so the same time next week, 3:30 p.m. So thank you so much. But before we're going to end our Zoom, can we have our prayer? In the start of prayer, we will start with a prayer. So let us pause for a while and have our closing prayer. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, we thank you so much for the gift of life. We thank you for the time you have provided us to join in this Zoom. we thank you for all the knowledge, the gift that we have learned from Miss Nina. We ask you to empower and to always enlighten Miss Nina, to give her strength always so we can have this product focus every Thursday. And as we will have our product focus next Thursday, let us be able to invite more people to join our Zoom. Kay Zoom man lang ni, at least bisag asa sila, they can join us. So we will be able to um, help people be aware of our products and of the benefits of the products that we have. Lord, we seek you to be with us and that we offer to you whatever we are going to do for our Usana business and um, for our individual endeavors, that we will always be the product of our products. To you be the praise and glory forever. Altogether, glory be to the Father and to the Son and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen. So thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so let us have a good afternoon.